I gotta get me one more to make a matching pair, but I think that'll look real good, don't you? Have me a custom exhaust. That way to blow out behind me, somebody told me it'd give me more horsepower. At least 2%. We're gonna find out. Hey, Gary Clark, what do you think about that there, buddy? Whoop. That idling pressure getting a little tough on it. Stay tuned for more.